Good day everyone. This is another tutorial class on evaluation physics. I am your regular host and instructor, Mr. Duro. So sit back while I take you through a work example on length formula as promised in our previous class. So let's read this question together. The question says, find the position of an image of an object placed 6 cm from a diverging length of focal length 15 cm. What are the key words that we should note in this definition, in this question? Number one, the question says find the position of an image. Position of an image simply means the image distance, which is connoted by symbol V. Of an object placed 6 cm, object 6 cm from a length. That is the object what? Distance. Connoted by what? Symbol what? U, which is equals to what? 6 centimeters. From a diverging length. A diverging length of focal length 15 centimeters. This is a diverging length. If you remember clearly from the previous class, I instructed that each time a question is given on diverging length and the focal length is given, the focal length must bear a negative sign. So, focal length f of length is equals to minus 15 centimeters. Now, we have listed all that is given and what we're looking for. Now, let's apply the length formula to solve this question, which of course is the second formula given in the last class. That is 1 over u plus 1 over v equals to 1 over f. So let's substitute. We have 1 over 6 plus 1 over v is equals to 1 over minus 15. You can see in this case, I did not put minus beside the v because it wasn't given. If it was given in this question, and the question is a diverging length, I will obviously put a minus beside the value given. So, let's rearrange. Take this to the other side, and you have 1 over v is equals to 1 over minus 15 minus 1 over 6. Simplifying further, find the LCM. LCM of the two is 90. 15 in 19 is 6. That's minus 6. 6 in 19 is 15 minus 15. And that is equals to minus 21 all over what? 90. That is a value of what? 1 over v. Find the reciprocal of both sides. Then you have v to be equals to 90 over minus 21. And 90 over minus 21 is approximately equals to 4.3 centimeters. Minus. What does this minus tell you? It confirms that the image distance is what? Negative. Meaning that the final image is what? Virtual. I always tell you, since automatically, if the right substitution is done, the final image gotten in a diverging length, if you are looking for it or calculating it, will always be negative. Because the final image is virtual. I believe with this simple work example, you can actually apply and solve more questions on length formula. Many thanks for listening as usual. I can always tell you, hit me up on my WhatsApp 0060438946 and be sure you get the first-hand tutorial experience. Many thanks for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.